The first is the customer's side. Keep your face clean. After cleaning it up, we need to prepare a painter. This liner. Are we drawing the line? Draw a line with our outline. A line at the corner of the mouth. Let's line this area of our apple muscle. 1 finger area of the ear. This is a restricted area and cannot be operated. And then there's the eyelids. Draw a line. And the tail of our eyebrows here. Draw a line with a triangle. Avoid our temples here is a restricted area. Can't operate. The rest of the time we draw this area, we can use our ink cartridge length here. Measurement mark. Connect. It's all connected the same. This is the operation part. The drawing area of the forehead area. Eyebrow. Hook up here and draw a line. 1 finger distance from our hairline. Draw a line. People can draw a line. These are restricted areas and cannot be operated. The same goes for the operation area. The lines drawn here are also like this. So this is how we draw a line. This is the operation part. This is the forbidden area. This is also a forbidden area. And this area of our arteries is also off limits. Can't operate. There's an Adam's apple, this area. This is a restricted area and cannot be operated. We do the same thing with the double chin. Draw it. Just operate this area and this area. This area. This is a restricted area and cannot be operated. The same is true here on the other side. So here we go. If you operate it, we have sub-ink cartridges. Our 4.5 millimeters is aimed at the facial layer. We need to operate with 4.5 millimeters first. Then 3.0 millimeters is used. 3.0 millimeters is the dermis layer. After that, we use 1.5 millimeter. It is the epidermis layer. It is a crow's feet pattern that is operated with 2.0 millimeters. Now I'm operating the facial layer with 4.5 millimeters. Pick up our handles. Click. Pack up. For energy, we adjust it from the lowest level. 0.5 start. We don't need to adjust these areas. If the customer wants ultrasound plus microelectricity, we have 3 modes of microelectronics here. Energy we can also start from the lowest. Start our operation. Apply gel. Medical cold gel. Apply evenly to an area we want to operate on. Apply a little more gel. Apply evenly to each area. We operate with 1 hand. Be an assistant, lift up. Our ink cartridges. Be sure to stick lightly to the customer's skin. Keep asking customers if they feel anything. If the customer doesn't feel it, if there is no response, turn this energy up a little bit, just adjust it to the range value acceptable to the customer. This is how it works. Ask the customer if they feel it. If not, adjust it again. Stamped. Go closer. Second line. Stamp like this. Line 3. The second step is from here. Operate here. Third line. We outline this way. Walk here. Step 4. We start from this area of nasolabial folds. Operate here. After the operation, we will change the ink cartridge. We want to choose a 3.0 millimeters ink cartridge. Anti-aging for the dermis. Energy is also adjusted from the lowest level. Start. Hand assistance. It is the same as the 4.5 millimeters operation method just now. Fixed point operation. Okay. In the last step, we use a 1.5 millimeter ink cartridge. Anti-aging for the epidermis. Load the cartridge. The operation method is the same as the above two. Energy is also adjusted from the lowest level. Start with microelectric mode. And it works the same way, step by step. Be sure to go denser. Don't move too fast. Contour line here. Make it stronger. And our forehead operating area, only 1.5 millimeter can be used. Energy is also adjusted from the lowest level, according to the range value that the customer can accept. Last step, we are operating the crow's feet area. Change ink cartridge. 2.0 millimeters is for crow's feet. Manipulate the crow's feet area. We can borrow our hands. Open the customer's eyes. So tight. Operation. Operate like this. We operate in the eye bag area. Apply the gel. Here. After applying the gel, we pull it down with our hands. This handle, head down too. Hit diagonally like this. Remember not to hit the eyeball. Tilt 45 angle. It can't be like this. Close to the skin operation. Last step, we use a 30RS handle. Is it used to strengthen some areas? The corner of the mouth, masseter muscle area, and here's the forehead area. Some of the more difficult areas to operate. We'll strengthen it. In this area of the mouth, the ink cartridge we choose is a 4.5 millimeters ink cartridge. Do you see our installation method? Here's a logo. There's a touch point down there. Is the installation method installed like this? It's installed with a click. The same is true when operating. The gel must be applied evenly. We don't have to do it all face to face. We will strengthen. We also start from the lowest energy, according to the range value that the customer can accept. If the customer does not like the EMS microelectric mode, you can choose the RF mode. Start. If this is the case, we're going to use pedal control. So that's one of our reinforcement areas. This area, step it up. Stamp type, just strengthen it. What about this area of our forehead? We choose to use a 1.5 millimeter sleeve. You also need to apply gel. The same is true when strengthening. Stamp operation. You can slide it around, but it must be close to the skin. 1.5 millimeter can only be used for this area. 3 mm 4 5 mm ink cartridges cannot be used in this area.